Hello, welcome to the world of computer-aided design with SolidWorks. In today's session, you are going to create all the components of a pipe-wise assembly and then assemble them. You can see on the screen, we have this image of the pipe-wise assembly. Different individual components are combined together or assembled together to create this assembly. If we look at the part list, there are 5 different components that are assembled together to create the assembly. Also, the quantity of these parts is given here in the quantity column. To create this assembly, first you need to create all the individual parts. The drawings and views required to create these individual parts are given in the resource section for download. Like to create the base feature for the assembly, we have these views and dimensions in it. And all the drawings and dimensions to create rest of the parts are here in this file. So create all the individual parts one by one and then save them to a folder at any location on your system you want. Like in my case, I created all the individual components and then I saved them to a folder on my desktop with the name Tutorial 2 Pipewise. Now to create the assembly, go to the File menu and then choose the New option. You can see the assembly button is already chosen, so I'll click on the OK button. A new assembly document is opened with the Begin Assembly Property Manager already active, and also the open dialog box is displayed. Now browse to the location where you have saved the folder and then choose the first part of the assembly, which is base. So I will select the base part and then hit the open button. A preview of the base feature is attached to the cursor and we need to place this base feature at the origin. So click on the OK button from the Begin Assembly Property Manager. The base feature will be placed at the origin automatically. Next thing we need to do is we need to insert and assemble the other components of the assembly. So click on the Insert Components tool, then choose Movable Jaw from this list. Click on the Open button. Place this movable jaw in the drawing area by simple left click of your mouse. Again, click on the Insert Components tool. This time, select the screw part and then hit the Open button. Again, place it in the drawing area. Now first, we need to assemble the screw and the movable jaw. For that, we need to fix the movable jaw first. So select it, right click on it and then choose the Fix option. Now invoke the Move Component Property Manager by clicking on this Move Component tool here. Choose the Smart Mates button. Double click on this lowermost cylindrical face of the screw. Now drag the cursor at the hole located at the topmost area of the movable jaw and release the left mouse button. You can see the concentric mate is applied between the two. Click on the Add Finish Mate button. Now select the screw and move it up a bit. Right click in the drawing area and choose this Clear Selections option. Now rotate the assembly a bit. Double click on this face of the screw. Now click on the top face of the movable jaw. Coincident mate is applied between the two faces. Click on the Add Finish Mate button. Now we need to assemble the screw and movable jaw with the base. Click on the OK button to get out of the Smart Mates Property Manager. Now select the movable jaw and right click on it. Next choose the Float option. Now you can move the movable jaw and the screw assembled to it. Press and hold the Alt key on your keyboard and select the cylindrical face of the screw. Now move the cursor towards the hole created at the top of the base to add the concentric mate. Release the Alt key and left mouse button at the same time. You can see the concentric mate is applied between the two. Click on the Add Finish Mate button. Now invoke the Mate Property Manager by clicking on this Mate tool. Select the front face of the movable jaw, then select the front face of the base. You can see a parallel mate is applied between the two. Click on the Add Finish Mate button. Drag these parts like this. Next, select this face of the base and this face of the screw. Expand the Advanced Mates rollout. Then choose this Distance button. In the Maximum Value Edit box, type 65. And in the Minimum Value Edit box, type 5. Then click on the OK button. Now if you see, the screw and the movable jaw can be dragged in and out of the base within the specified limits. Click on the OK button. Next thing we need to assemble is the handle. So click on the Insert Components tool, choose the handle and click on the Open button. Place it in the drawing area. Click on the Mate tool to activate the Mate Property Manager. Choose the Concentric option from the Standard Mates rollout. Then select the cylindrical face of the handle and this cylindrical face of the hole on the screw. Click on the Add Finish Mate button. Again click on the OK button to get out of the Mate Property Manager. Now the remaining component is the handle stop. So click on this Insert Components tool and choose Handle Stop. Then hit the Open button. Place it in the drawing area. Now drag the cursor over this handle stop and rotate it like this. Click on the Mate tool. Choose the Concentric option. Then select this cylindrical face of the handle and this cylindrical face of the hole on the handle stop. Click on the Add Finish Mate button. Now choose this Coincident option. Select this face of the handle and select this face of the handle stop. Again click on the Add Finish Mates button. Similarly, you can assemble the handle stop on the other side. Click on the OK button to get out of the Mate Property Manager. Now press the space bar on your keypad to invoke the orientation dialog and choose this isometric button. Here we have the pipe-wise assembly. Thank you for watching this video.